This video is going to show you how to easily enable sensitive content in the Instagram app. So follow my steps. I'm going to open the Instagram app on my phone and then make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. I'm already logged into my account, so I will tap on my profile picture right here in order to get to my profile. From here, we'll want to open our Instagram settings by clicking on the three horizontal lines at the top right. And once we're here, we will scroll towards the bottom until you see this button called Content Preferences. Click on this, and then I'll tap on the Sensitive Content option. You're going to see three different levels of sensitivity in here. You can select if you want to see less, standard, or more sensitive content in your Instagram home feed. Either set this to standard or more, and you'll successfully enable the sensitive content option on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.